What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Pat Neely's Kitchen. I am getting ready to have some serious family time. One of the things that we've always done once a week, Tamika and I and the kids, is have pizza. Before the crisis and all this quarantine and all this stuff happened, we started making our own pizzas because we found that each one of us liked different pizzas. Ariel and Eijah eat cheese pizza, but Tamika really, she likes like a veggie pizza. And y'all know me, I'm a meat guy. So we started making our own pizza. So the best way to start cooking any time of the day is with a glass of wine. So cheers. Shout out to Neil and Trish over at Nutwood Winery. They have a delicious wine. We're doing some amazing things over there with them right here in LaGrange. But I gotta have a glass of their wine. I have just bought the canned store-bought dough. And so we're gonna try to make 3 pizzas, and I got 2 cans of the crescent roll pizza dough. So what I wanna do is, I only wanna use maybe half of this for the first pizza, or 3/4 of it. So I'm just gonna sit this to the side for a bit. And this will be my first pizza. And I need to roll it out. So I'm gonna take just a little flour and put on my rolling pin. Flour helps the dough from sticking to your surface and your rolling pin. See how it's rolling like that? It just means you need a little more flour on it. It shouldn't roll up. We just want to just smooth this out. I gotta tell you, my kids, I told them, I said, Daddy's taping this and we're all gonna be on the camera later making our own pizza. They're so excited because this is like a weekly ritual for us. We're constantly, Tamika and I, trying to keep them in the kitchen, engage with them. And fortunately for us, we were making pizzas even before quarantine, at least once a week. Eijah loves cheese pizza. So, we've always been making it. You want to push it out. And so this is something that we do together. Right now, they're just kind of chilling, waiting for me to take these and get them together. So once you roll them all out, we put them on a pan that's been greased, and then they're going to go into the oven for about 8 minutes, just to kind of bake it a little bit. And then I have my pan that's already greased. So they're gonna go in here and you just spread it out. So we got this all spread it out. You notice I crimped the edges and pop it in the oven for about 8 minutes. Let it brown just a bit. Come back, add our toppings, and then we'll finish cooking the pizza. Y'all, I got the crew. Here come Mama. We're getting ready to make all 3 of our pizzas. Now, we've had our dough in the oven for about 8 minutes. As you can see, they puffed up just beautifully. Come on, honey. And for my beautiful producing wife who does all the camera work, does the editing, does everything to make it happen.
And you had to do
Glass
the
of
laundry
wine.
today.
So we start off with cheers. Oh shit.
What about me? What about me?
You gonna do your olive oil? What's
Yeah, I'm gonna do mine. I gotta get them going. Ariel, you want the spatula? Spatula to spread it out? Good job, Ariel. All right. This is what it's like in our home, y'all. We co-op this thing.
And someone had to do a big workout of either.
Right. Make sure you get.
And the name is Pet.
Right. Make sure so that they brown perfectly.
Okay, can I have it, Ariel? Oh,
Hold on. I know how to fix that problem.
jeez.
I know how to fix that problem.
We're finished.
We got 2 spatulas in the house, y'all.
No,
All right.
give it to me.
No, Mommy needs one.
Here
Okay,
you go,
so
Ariel.
here, give me this. Slide this over. Can I see this for 1 second? Just 1 second. I just want to.
Good job, Ariel. Yay. Hey, we're gonna put the cheese on.
Give it to her.
Oh my
All right, then I do mine. You want a little more sauce? You want a little more? Okay.
Can I have that little one? Please, I need that one first.
Okay, take that. I'll just use mine. I'm telling you, it's something else around here. Something else. But we have a lot of fun.
Here you go.
Thank you, Eijah. Ariel, okay, it's time to put the spatula down now. You ready to put cheese? Come on.
Ariel, get some cheese. Here, get some cheese. Put cheese on your pizza.
I got that.
Thank
We'll
you,
sit it
Eijah.
right here so she can get some, and then Mommy can get some. Coming with some mozzarella. We all gotta have our own pizza because we all like different things.
Ooh, put it up high, Eijah, so it can drizzle like this.
Can you give me like a cheese one?
Yes.
That's perfect.
Ariel, can Daddy have some? Let Daddy have some cheese.
Just let them have it. I'll just grab mine.
Is it good, Ariel? Just eating the cheese out the pizza. That's what you do, baby.
I'll take a piece.
Tastes funny not being cooked.
And now we're frying it.
Right.
Now we're frying it down.
So that's all you all want on your pizza, right? So we can put it in the oven.
So Eijah, can me and you go put ours in the oven?
Hold on.
Put cheese
Hold
on the
on.
pizza, off the cheese off the pizza.
Mommy?
No.
Oh, you please do.
Okay,
No,
you can't.
jump out of that cheese.
Okay, hey, let's come out of here. You can have it out of here. There you go.
All right, Eijah, come on, let's go to the oven. You don't need to mix because it's not hot. All right, come with me. You got the oven? All right.
Oh, wait.
Back up.
Let's just give the cheese a little bit, right?
Really hot.
There you go.
So stick that in there.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's really
Are
hot.
you hungry?
So, Eijah, will you pass us the pepperonis?
Yes.
And will you pass the little piggies for me?
Thank you, Eijah.
The piggies?
I
I want to, because I like a little pepper on mine.
Do you want pepperoni, honey?
Well,
Ariel's eating.
I like mine with toilet sauce.
Y'all, I'm telling you, in the Neely home, it ain't no joke. So, I'm coming with a few bell peppers on mine. I've got
Stay right here beside Ariel.
some orange peppers. Honey,
Oh, I want peppers.
You want peppers?
So pepperoni,
Can I put
peppers.
some on mine,
little
Mama?
onions. Look, you want some what on yours? Pepperonis?
You
So
need it
we'll do it
soft.
when we get it out, all right?
Okay.
So then I got a few mushrooms.
Peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers,
Yeah.
mushrooms.
You want mushrooms? mushrooms, honey?
You want to taste some pepper? You can taste some pepper.
So,
I don't like peppers.
y'all, I love me some meat. So,
These are good at tasting.
I've got ground beef. And a lot of folks think you need to have your ground beef cooked, but
I usually don't.
the oven is going to be hot enough to cook it. And so I come with just little chunks of ground beef.
Let me try this one.
I like meat on my pizza.
That one's better.
Okay, good. Ooh, this
And
looks
then, baby, I have some other topping cheese, which is a mixture. Can you pass me the,
Okay. You want some peppers on yours?
No, thank you. We have real peppers, not black pepper.
said, Daddy put peppers on here, you know. And then
Ariel, where did you get this?
pepperonis. You just dress them any way you like. I actually have a recipe where I do a chicken
I
Alfredo
had to put it back
pizza,
in here.
which basically you make your Alfredo sauce. You can grill some chicken or some chicken or roasted chicken, make sure it's cooked, and build a pizza that way. And instead of pizza sauce, you can use Alfredo sauce.
Honey,
Thank you.
we need to show a picture of your pizza. I mean,
So,
can we just hold them
baby,
up so
yeah.
people
Can you
see?
scoot mine down? And then I just got to do something else
What you gonna do?
because.
You want a piece of spinach?
Ooh, I got something for her. I got something for her. Look what Daddy got. Bacon.
And after this video,
No, Pat. No,
and
Pat.
after when make this pizza, I'll make my pizza all by myself.
I got a little cooked bacon because I love meat, y'all. I can't help it. I can't help it. Some give us just a little chop, but it's already cooked.
Oh, you want that?
And then I sprinkle bacon across the top of mine. Y'all look at my pizza. It's mounded up like Mount Rushmore.
It's called bell pepper.
I think I missed a few peppers. I just look at my pizza, baby. Lord have mercy.
Have mercy.
Lord have mercy. All right, so we
Come on.
we got. It's not just leaving this little meat.
You want a pepper?
Did you not put onions on yours? You just build them. I thought you had it, huh? So all good and built. We're going into the oven for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees. Keep in mind, we've already pre-baked the crust. So you don't have to worry about that. It should be fine when they come out. So we're gonna pop these in. Eijah, can you grab Mom's pizza? And then I got mine. And then we're going to the oven. And when we come back, they'll be out here. I want you to do your cheese.
I got it. I did it by myself. You put yours in, and then I'll put mine in. Pizza.
Y'all, we have done it. Once again, in the Neely house, once a week, we do pizzas.
Yeah,
We got Eijah's pizza. What is your pizza?
What's your pizza?
What type of pizza do you have?
No, it's me and Ariel pizza.
I'm
Right.
so
And
sorry.
we have a cheese pizza.
You got
and
a-
we named it Jaguar.
Talk to the
Tell, what kind of pizza do you have?
A cheese pizza. And we're gonna make it Jaguar shaped.
All right, so what's the last thing we do to it, Eijah? Ariel?
No.
You want to put cheese on?
Yes.
You want to do your cheese?
No.
Baby, will you do it for me? So we're going to put a little Parmesan across the top.
Tell me when to stop, okay?
Oh, hold on, I
Where you
gotta get my
going?
knife.
Oh, he's got to get his knife.
Are you going to tell me when to stop?
Okay, right
So-
now.
Okay, that's
All right, so, and Tamika's got her veggie pizza and she's got cheese. I got my meat pizza. I already put Parmesan on mine.
No.
You
don't
know, I challenge you guys to find these kind of moments at home, especially during these difficult times, is to do some things that you engage the entire family. Obviously, ours sometimes can be a little chaotic, but it's all good. I love my family so much. My beautiful wife is an incredible mother and keeps this house in line, that we take this moment to kind of engage with our kids. So we're going to cut these pizzas. We're going to eat. And then, honey, you said we're watching a movie? Baby, you want me?
Good.
So, hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Stay safe. God bless you. And do like the Neelys do. Get the kids, get everybody in the house in the kitchen. Find something that you all like. You can do it in a variety of ways. And have a good time like we're doing.
High five, Eijah.
Y'all be good.
High five. High five, Daddy.
High five. High five.